Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the device and opening settings. Make sure the phone is on and unlocked, then open Settings and use the search field to find App Lock quickly. This avoids hunting through menus. If there's no direct result, open Security or Privacy. Once found, tap it to view options. Allow any permission prompts. These enable App Lock to control app access and use biometrics. Doing this now ensures you can configure locks without interruptions or missing permissions later. Once App Lock is open, enable the feature and choose your lock method: PIN, pattern, password, or fingerprint, because each balances security and convenience differently. Next, select the apps you want protected. You can tap individually or use batch select for multiple apps to save time. Make sure to set the auto lock delay so apps relock appropriately after an activity, and define any trusted apps or locations to avoid constant unlocking. This configuration tailors protection to your routine while keeping access smooth. You finish by testing and adjusting. Close a locked app, reopen it, and confirm the lock prompt appears. This verifies settings and biometrics. If behavior is off, return to App Lock to tweak auto lock timing or reselect apps. Make sure accessibility and notification permissions remain granted so the feature works reliably. If the lock still fails, clear the App Lock cache or restart the phone. Then re-enable permissions. This simple troubleshooting step resolves most glitches and gets protection working again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.